Holy shit! My engine doesn't overheat, my camera, my phone, because I use the GPS on the... Ah! Ah! Okay, oh my god! Can you see that death wobble? Look at that! A tornado, guys! Car just took off. Today we just got the OOTD T10. Thank you OOTD for sending out this amazing scooter, and you know what time it is, unboxing time. This is actually quite nice. We got a fender, which is plastic. We got the charger, 3 amps, okay, and some zip ties. This charger, even though it's fast and it has a fan, it's kinda cheap, I cannot lie. Not good enough.
No, not good enough.
What the hell is it? What? Okay, we got some plastic white snow, as our good friend says. Okay, so this scooter comes pretty much in pieces. How the hell am I gonna get this thing out? Oh, we got a manual or something. Okay, I think I'm gonna need someone to help. Let's get into it. Oh my god, look how many tools we got. I'm gonna say how to assemble. Scooter assembly details description. Please read the content carefully. Of course. Let's continue with the wow. Okay, wow, this looks so... It looks so damn clean. I really like this color. It's way better than the yellow colorway. Ah, this just comes off. And this, oh, okay, it's the signal. Okay, this is not looking easy. These are really high quality. Really high quality. I'm gonna keep this for future scooters. Alright. And now put this here. This is actually kind of fun. Okay, so the kickstand has been mounted. Let's see. Holy sh! Okay, that was a bit aggressive. Is big television display. Look how big my iPhone is, and this is the television display from the OOTD. Oh, this is nice. The light is so strong. Signals look so damn cool. And look at this, look in the back. Or it's not electric, but it does its job. And the tires, look how big they are. 11-inch tubeless puncture resistant tires, guys. Look at this. So we're gonna let this charge to 100%, then I'm gonna take it for a spin because I'm incredibly excited for this scooter. I think it looks so damn cool. So it's the next day. We got our fully charged OOTD and we are ready to actually test it. But first we gotta do something. Okay, that's more like it. Let's see. Fully charged battery. It's gonna flicker a lot, so I'm gonna use my camera's GPS to measure the speed. We are ready to ride. First, I should also tell you about the specs of this scooter, because for this price it's actually insane. So this scooter has a 500 watt motor, which is incredibly silent, and it also picks up to 900 watts. It has a 13.5 amp hour battery at 48 volts. It also has 11-inch puncture resistant tubeless tires, which are perfect for off-road. It has dual disc brake in the front and in the back. It has a 3 amp charger, which is incredibly fast, and the range gets up to 45 kilometers, which is, I think, absolutely insane. Also, one thing that I really like is how easy it is to fold it. You just pull this like this, press this, and the scooter will just fold. We're finally riding the OOTD T10. This scooter actually is very comfortable. Like, the suspension is very soft. It's quite nice, but it kind of lacks power, you know. I can definitely feel that this is only 500 watts. We are already to 38 kilometers an hour. And we're dropping, but it's an incline, keep that in mind. Anyways, we're gonna go ride this scooter and see how it feels. Also, one thing that I don't really like are the brakes, because they're not that good. This is gonna be fun. We got a long way to go, and right now it's not looking great. We're at only 31, bro. 32, come on, please, bro. Okay, 33, come on. I really hope I'm not gonna get hit by a car, bro. Oh my god, we're at 32 kilometers an hour, guys. What the hell is this? There is also a bit of wind, so I'm sorry about that if you cannot hear me well. But, oh my gosh. Bro, only 33. And the wind is stopping me. Hopefully it's faster a bit, okay? Okay, yeah, it's definitely going. Okay. Oh, 42 kilometers an hour, guys. 43. Oh, okay. So one thing that I can definitely tell is that this scooter is not stable. So because it's so tall, this is not that stable, it doesn't feel that safe. Also the handlebar wobbles a lot. Like I can, holy shit. You saw that? That was a death wobble, bro. Okay, I really need to be careful here, because this is a bit dangerous, I'm not gonna lie. And also I hope my camera doesn't overheat, because it's almost 35 degrees outside. You know, it's kind of hot, and with the asphalt I think it goes all the way to 40 degrees. I hope my engine doesn't overheat, my camera, my phone, because I use the GPS on the... Okay, let me take this route. I don't know how it is. Hello, cat. How are you, cat? Oh, let's take it. The route. So I'm gonna go into the store, let my camera charge for a bit, and I'm gonna get to you guys later. We got our drink, we got our scooter, everything is looking nice. Let's go. We're going into the mountains. Stop sign. Coming. So we're gonna see uphill test on the OOTD T10. Forgot the GPS. One sec. Okay, we're back. I hope you guys can see them. I hope you guys can see now the speed. And I mean, you can see it already. It's not looking great. This is not that fast. Okay, 30 kilometers an hour. Finally. A bit of a faster speed. Go this way. You cannot handle this. But now it's gonna be a bit of fun. So let's go. Let's hope my camera doesn't overheat, by the way. Let's go. Okay, oh, 41, oh baby. Oh yeah! Look at this! Holy shit! Okay, this is unsafe. This is definitely safe. Ah! Ah! Okay, oh my god! Can you see that death wobble? It's insane, guys. It's absolutely insane. Oh. Okay, I should definitely slow down because this does not feel safe. Like, if I hit the pothole, I'm done. That's it, I'm done. I'm done for. Panorama shot. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh, wow.
Much later.
Okay, so one last thing that we need to test on this scooter is its off-road capabilities, because as they say, this is a off-road scooter. So we're here on off-road right by the sea, and we're gonna see if what OOTD claims it's real. Holy shit, a tornado. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go towards it. Holy shit. Look at that. A tornado, guys. Oh, what the hell? That's good? Yeah. Okay, let's go. So our handlebar just took off. Okay. I don't feel safe at all. Actually, besides the handlebar moving, because I can definitely feel that it's moving, this it's actually quite comfortable on off-road. I cannot lie. So, in conclusion of this video, should you buy the OOTD T10? I think for the price it has, this is one of the best scooters money can buy, because it has a ton of features that you do not find even on way more expensive scooters, like a key with voltmeter. You do not find this kind of stuff on other scooters. 450 euros. I think this is one of the best scooters you can buy. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys again very soon.